Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Power Sports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2016 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 41,071 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and has been upgraded with a Crystal Dynamics LED headlight, LED front turn signals, a chrome rear bumper, a luggage rack, an upgraded seat, aftermarket grips, a horn cover, blind spot mirrors, chrome passenger footboard covers, and an engine guard. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 105 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Freewheeler has a 230 to 270 mile fuel range. It has a 27.5 inch seat height and a 1,082 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts. The front tire is at 530 seconds, and both rear tires are at 630 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the rear fender. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Power Sports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and power sport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.